boom, we go to the manager, which we all know and love. We have a new button.
Ah,
So we're already growing up. Boom, we come to install a new plugin. Right now, we are just dealing with GitHub, of course, but this will expand as we figure out how we envision the marketplace. But I am coding this in a way that I'm basically going to do is change text up here in a lot of ways. I'm anticipating what we're going to see coming in, and I'm coding for that, so it won't be like, oh my god, we have to recode everything. It'll be nope. All right, I'm anticipating a zip file. We're going to work with that type thing.
say that one more time.
Okay, right now I'm using GitHub to grab my plugin. Correct? You follow
Yes.
that? If somebody wanted to, I'm building this so that when we get there, let's say 6 months down the road, we have a marketplace running, and instead of files coming from marketplace or from GitHub only, we want to allow people that they can get it from their servers. They can build this however they want because it's, their rules, so to speak. This is being coded so that at the end of the day, the only thing it cares about is a small zip file or compressed file. It's not looking for some fancy way of doing business or handshake that GitHub has or anything like that. It's just using GitHub to grab a file. That's it.
I see. So basically, what you're saying is right now, people are going to build a plugin, put it on GitHub, and then put the link in here. That's
Yep.
that's that's how people are going to install plugins.
Yep. And
But you've constructed this in a way that it's just pulling a zip file from GitHub,
yep.
so that zip file could reside anywhere.
Yep. You
So
could
let's
even
say that
get
I built a plugin and put it on braindrive.ai/Dave's plugin.
yep.
How
All
would
it'll
that
take
work?
is okay. At that point, all it'll take is a few tweaks so that it can handle that link type thing.
Right.
But basically, it will grab the same thing. This is
So we can basically just have our marketplace on the forum and you're just tweaking a little bit and
yep.
people
Yeah,
get it.
I'm building this so that we'll use GitHub for right now for developers while they're coding. When we go to the next level, which will be using the forums discourse to because we talked about having our plugins initially there as well,
Correct.
and then we'll grow up from there to some vision of what the marketplace looks like, where who knows what it'll look like. But at the end of the day, I wanted to make sure that when I coded the mechanics that installs, the only thing that anybody's ever going to care about is the one little RAR file. That's it.
Love it.
Okay, so all I have to do is put that in there. That is my GitHub. It's not affiliated with BrainDrive right now or anything like that. It's just for testing purposes.
Yeah.
Um, I want the latest release. It just keeps it easy, and then I press install plugin. Once you do the install process, it starts going through its mechanics of validating the URL, because that'll happen no matter what. Download it, extract it, make sure it has all this everything we need, and then installs it completely. You're done.
Wow, this is cool.
Now, if we go back, so you have to go to the plugin manager. You can go get there numerous ways. We have my network monitoring status plugin already installed now, so we see it immediately. And if we let's go to BrainDrive Studio, boom, it's populating on the list already. If I wanted to come through, we created a new page. I'm going to bring this over. And this simply is a network status for both the Olama website and if I have local Olama or if it's running or not running, it would tell me straight up.
Amazing. This is awesome.